Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Getcontact. Just follow me step by step. We will go in the first two settings. Here in this page, you will go down to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list, you will go to about to design. You will write the name of the application to search about it here. And then you can click on Getcontact app. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. After that, you will click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end, you can go to Play Store to make sure that your problem is solved.